Hello guys, come along with me to my first boarding experience. So my husband's cousin invited us for a dinner stroke game night hangout. We were to meet up at Rufus and Base, which is located at Twinwaters on the island. So we just arrived there. So you have to scan through their menu in order to place your order. So after we placed our order, while we were waiting for us to be served, my daughter decided to teach me this game that I don't even know what it's called. But I was just playing along while we waited for our meals to be served. Then I actually won the game and I was happy. Yeah. So the waiter served my chapman while I was still waiting for my food and all to be ready. My husband ordered for mashed potatoes and steak. The sticks were looking so dry, even him began to complain. While I ordered for chicken and chips, same with my children too. So they were served their own in these cute little plates meant for kids, and they were enjoying their meal. And also at this point everybody was served on the table. We had to eat before starting the game proper. Now everybody has been served, so we're just enjoying our meal and all of that, chit chatting and having fun. Yeah, so they brought this yummy delicious wings. The It was so yummy that I chewed the bone, but this was packed as takeaway for us because at this point everybody was filled up. So yeah, we had to then go for the games and all. So you have to recharge your card. So their uncle and their auntie actually give them their card to go and swap and play any type of game they want to do. So here, their dad was just teaching them on how to play the games and all of that. So here, all the tickets you've won, you come here and load it up, then they count it and load it back into your card. That's basically what happens here. So it was time for the main event of the day. We went bowling. This is actually my first time of bowling. It was fun. You have to roll these bowling balls to hit down the pins, and the balls were quite heavy though, but it's really an arm exercise. And what I call it now, you just have to focus and make sure you roll down the pins. Here, I was able to roll down some pins here, and I was happy with myself. Then the people we also went with played the game, and it was so good with this. Then this was our host that jumped up because him is Baba of all Baba in the game. Yeah, we had fun. So after playing for like 10 rounds or so, the results were out and I was last on the board. But I actually had fun and I will definitely do this again. Thank you all for watching.